Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed. In today's C# lesson, we're going to create the simplest user interface and the calculator. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's start with the user interface part. So, let's create a scenario, shall we? First, let's ask user for their name, then for their surname, so we can combine this and create their full name and print out that full name. Then we're gonna ask their age, their favorite color, and their GPA. Okay, let's start. For the name, I need to create a string variable named, okay, let's just say name. And I need to create string surname. Then I need to have integer age, string color, then double GPA, right? Let's create that. Integer age, string color, then double GPA. Okay, let's ask the user for their name. Create line. What is your name? Then let's get that input and assign it with our name console readline. Let me just copy and paste this. For surname, what is your surname? Then again, let me just copy this and write it for age, color, and GPA. So when I come here and write not integer, age, what I need to do, I need to change this console readline to convert. So what I basically need to do, I just come here and write convert to integer 32. Then put some parentheses in here and change the question. What is your age? You int there. Okay, not the you int one. Now, this is not surname, this is color. What is your color? Okay, we are done with that. Now, what I need to do, I need to write the GPA one. What is your GPA? Okay. What I need to convert this to, I need to convert this to double. Convert to double. Then I need to put some parentheses in here. Okay, basically, what did we create here? We create a basic user interface. What to ask for? We ask user's name, user surname, age, their favorite color, and their GPA. So let me print this out for the user. Let's just say print parts and input parts. So let's just say your name is console readline. Your name is, to be accurate, your full name is, what are we going to write? We are going to write name and plus, of course I need to put plus here too, plus surname. Actually I need to put a space here too, so it looks better. Now again, what I need to do, I need to write their favorite color. Your favorite color is, what did we write? Color. Of course I need to put a plus here too. Now again, I need to write their age. So your age is age. Then again, for the last part, your GPA is plus and GPA. Okay, we're done. So let me just copy and paste this console readline command, and let's execute the command. So when I execute my program here, it asks for my name. Actually, let me just delete this line part so I can write my answer with the same line. Let me just delete this real quick. Okay, very cool. Now let me execute again. Let's write Ahmet Zengin my age 22. What's my favorite color? Let's just say red. That's my GPA. Let's say 3.5. And as you can see, your full name is Ahmet Zengin, your favorite color is red, your age is 22, and your GPA is 3.5, guys. Okay, this was it for the user interface part, so let's continue with the calculator part. So, what are we going to need for a calculator? We are going to need two numbers from the user, right? Two numbers as an input. So, I'm going to decide that this calculator is going to multiply the two number that user giving to us. So, let's just write multiply operation. So, let me write integer num1 and num2 and ask user to put some input in those numbers. Enter the first number. Then let me assign real quick. Let's just say convert to integer, of course. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to write console readline. Enter the first, let's say integer number. So it's going to be the integer number. So let me just copy this, paste it. Let's just change this to num2 and enter the second integer number. And let's just create result operation, result variable, I'm sorry, and assign results variable with the num1 multiplied by num2. And let's just print that out. Console readline, your result is results. And let me just write console readline real quick so we can see our output. Okay, now let's execute this command. When I execute this command, it's going to ask for me. Okay, let me just delete these lines again. Okay, it's going to ask for me to put my first integer number here. So let me just write 5 here. Then my second number will be 6. What's going to be the result? It's going to be 30. And as you can see, your result is 30. Okay, let's change the calculator's operation. What did we say here? We're going to multiply it. So I don't want to multiply by my two num1 and num2. I'm going to add those two numbers to each other. Okay, let me just change this multiply by plus sign, and when I execute this command again, as you can see, it's going to ask for my first integer number. I'm gonna say 5 again, then 6, and as you can see, it's going to print out 11 for me. Why? Because we are doing addition now. Let's do subtraction. Let me just put a subtract here, and when I change this plus to minus, it's going to give me 5, 6. As you can see, it's going to give me minus 1. Then I'm going to divide them to each other. So when I put divide here and try to divide them here, but as you can see, my variables are integer. So pay attention. When I write 5 divided by 6, what is the result that I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get 0, guys. Why? Because there is no 6 in 5. But if I change my variables to double, and of course I need to change these to double, and let me just copy and paste this. Okay, now what am I going to get? I'm going to get a, I don't know, like 8 blah blah, I guess. Yes, 0.8833333. Why is that? Because now my variables are double, so I can get that decimal number of my result, guys. And with this, our calculator is done. And for the extra part, I'm actually teach you guys another mathematical operation, but I'm gonna talk about that through our next courses. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next C# lessons. Goodbye.